Hey, so I'm going to show you guys the proper how-tos on applying your mortar under your tile. So we're going to do a straight, a swirl, and then spot bonding, and you'll see what it looks like through the glass. So this is our just straight trowel, and this is the correct way of doing it. And basically what you see is we have these ridges, and then when we collapse them side to side, you're allowing the air to escape. And that's the difference between spot bonding it and doing the swirl, is that you're trapping in air and you won't let it. So let's say if you're laying tile this way, it's running this way, you want to trowel opposite of you collapsing the ridges. If I did the same thing, but I went that way and this way, collapsing them, it would not work as well. So now let's see what it looks like with a swirl. You have one? Yeah. So you see when we do the swirl, inevitably we have these pockets of air that get trapped in here. And really this is a closed loop and there's nowhere for this to go out. So then you're having some gaps inside your tile. So if, let's say you were to walk by and you dropped something and it landed right on this spot, that would be a hole. If it landed on this spot, you'd be okay. So, but anywhere here, your tile will be brittle. So that's why you can't really do the swirl either, because it's too inconsistent. And then if you're popping those off, you'll see all these air gaps in there. See this? Here you have an example of spot bonding. And basically, people who don't really use tile leveling clips, they will use spot bonding to really get their corners to align. Because their wall might not be level, so they'll float a corner out by adding a spot, right? I mean, on the floor, this is probably criminal if you did this on the floor, because if you just step here, that will break. Typically, people will do this more often on the wall, but even if you were to bang a elbow into a tile, you could break this corner off. Because what happens, these corners, right there, they just float. They just float, so they just really try to line them up. So really, what's holding it's probably 50% coverage, first of all. Second of all, like the worst part is that all these corners are free and they're so brittle. So never do this type of system, because this is ridiculous.